Good afternoon, Rutgers. It is your host, Jonah Shick, here with your Monday, March 10th forecast. Let's get into it. Right now, we do have temperatures of 66 degrees. It is sunny, humidity of 29%, and winds out of the west-southwest at 7 miles per hour. Definitely get outside this week. It will be lovely. Headlines for the week. We do have clear skies today, warm temperatures this week, and a chance of showers into the weekend, particularly on Sunday. However, this forecast, I will also be going over a train of storms that is affecting the West Coast, particularly California. Current temperatures, we do see a smorgasbord of 60s, very lovely day. Along the coast, it is a little bit cooler just because that water is still cold from the winter. As we go up to the northern tier of the Garden State, we can still see lovely day for most of the state. Really only looking at a 65 in Trenton as the max I see, which is perfect weather, and a 55 near Keyport, again, just because the coastal waters are cold. Here we are looking at the futurecast, particularly for the West Coast. We do have a bowling ball low, a cutoff low, that is affecting SoCal, mainly looking at the LA Basin region, which is expecting about, I would say, 0.6, 0.7 inches of rain from this little guy. And then as we move into Wednesday, a much bigger storm moves in. An Aleutian low comes down and is really drawing off a lot of moisture here. You can see this lovely looking, almost like an atmospheric river here, pummeling into particularly the Bay Area, but it's really going to ride down the coast of California, bringing 3 to 4 inches of rain off of the storm and feet of snow. Snow levels will start off high, but as we move into Thursday, they will quickly dip into around 2,000, 2,500 feet in elevation. This will mean that driving over the pass is highly unadvised, especially if you're going into Reno this week. I do not recommend it. We are expecting feet of snow from the system. As we move into Thursday, the storm clears out, but that cold air is still here. And on Friday, another storm just runs right into that cold air. So we're still going to see less rain from this, but still a good amount of snow, especially with that dry, cold air. Here we are moving into wind gusts for New Jersey. We have calm winds and lovely weather this week for the most part until around Wednesday. We do see, here we can see Tuesday afternoon, and then moving into Wednesday, we see these winds start to pick up for the northern tier of the state. And as we go into Wednesday, particularly Wednesday afternoon and the Wednesday morning, we do see those winds continue to pick up and rise for Atlantic City. We're getting nearly 23 miles per hour. And there might be a chance of precipitation, but I am not so sure about that. We're looking at the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. Temperatures are well above normal for this time of year, being around the upper 60s until Wednesday. Overnight, we do have a low of 36, which is cool just because of that radiative cooling effect. Again, there's no clouds to trap the heat. All that heat is just lost at night. There's very little wind to mix up the atmosphere, so we're just losing that heat at night. So we'll be a little chilly, but 36 is nothing compared to what we've seen this winter. Here are looking at the 7-day forecast. Again, look at this lovely weather. Tomorrow, 68, Wednesday, 54, and Thursday, 51. So definitely getting a little colder into the week. And then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, temperatures do rise again, getting back up to 68. With Sunday, we are looking at those showers, which will make things feel cooler. And particularly on Friday morning, early in the morning, like 2 to 4 a.m., will be the height of seeing a potential lunar eclipse, which will be beautiful to see. So get out there if you can. Again, it has been your host and weather watcher, Jonah Shick. Thank you for watching.